Our channel is called Krishna's Food and Travel, and its content is quite diverse. We film life in Vrindavan, how we feed cows, how we feed Vrajavasis, and also the travel part is also here. In my life I traveled in around 30 countries, and now we are discovering Sri Lanka because circumstances kind of pushed us to come here to extend visa, and by visiting all these beautiful places I can say for sure that Vrindavan is the best place where my heart feels at home. It feels so much protected, and like Krishna is everywhere, right? And this is the Krishna's world, beautiful world. And in Vrindavan you can't see these mountains or many things you can find there, but it's a very special place. Vrindavan is a special place where many people lose their hearts, and I'm not an exception. So my heart is always wants to go there, and we are going physically also go to Vrindavan soon. Hare Krishna. Because of the fog we can't see anything, but I guess it's a beautiful view here on the edge of the world.